If you're into importation from China, please come closer. This video is specifically for you all. Those of us that are into importation, my people, watch this video to the very end. You're going to learn one or two from this video. Now, I want to talk about quality. You know, there is this general saying that China products or Chinese products are not of good quality. I mean, let's debunk that. That's a big fat lie. You can buy first-hand premium quality product anytime, any day from China. The problem is that most Nigerian mini importers, yes, they prefer buying low quality just because it is cheaper. They prefer buying cheap products. Let me tell you guys the facts. Quality products are not cheap. Let's just put that out here. Quality products, they are not cheap, but they are worth the price. In 2026, my people, I want you to prioritize importing quality products. I usually see some people, they import stuff and they come online, they are complaining, this is what my supplier sold to me. I saw this on the page and he sold this. I mean, this is not a case of what I ordered versus what I got. You actually bought something cheap and they delivered the same cheap product you bought to you. Why are you complaining? You know, we are just so used to this fact that, hey, if I go on 1688, I'm going to buy this product for 2 yuan, I'm going to bring it down to Nigeria and I'm going to sell it for 10 times the price and I'll make money. Hello? Come on, shine your eyes in 2026. Don't allow anybody deceive you. Quality is not cheap, but it is worth the price and people are ready to buy quality. Now, let me be specific. To those of us that sell handbags, I sell handbags, try to prioritize buying quality. I'm going to give you a typical example right here. Quality products are products that will help you build a reputable brand. Quality products will help you stand out. Quality product will make customers buy from you, refer their friends, their families, their colleagues to buy from you. Just look at it this way. If a customer buy from you just because your price is cheap or your price is fair and they bought that product and after like a week, 2 weeks, they are no longer using that product because the quality is quack, do you think that customer is going to come back again to buy? Or do you think that customer is going to tell their friends, their colleague about your brand? Obviously, the answer is what? No. So if you want to build a business that will last, your priority should be on what? Quality. And we all know that here on 1688, you can actually get quality products. No matter the type of product you're looking to import, no matter the type of product, my people, there are suppliers that are willing to sell quality to you. Don't bypass, you know, the main chain just because you're looking for 2 yuan products. This is not the time of 2 yuan product. Please prioritize quality over quantity. Now, I want to show you guys a very simple example. I'm going to share my screen with you also. Please follow through. Now, you can see this product on my screen. Can you see this bag? This bag is being sold for maybe around 70 something yuan, right? Some of you will see it and say, no, the price is expensive. There are suppliers on 1688 that are selling theirs for 20 yuan. I'm not doubting that, but please, are you paying attention to the quality? Now you can see the supplier, you can see this bag. I mean, let's go down so you can see a more detailed picture of this bag. Can you see what this bag looks like? Now go to the attributes of this particular product. You can see that the material used for this bag is genuine leather. It is not PU leather. It is not any kind. Even the PU leather has levels because I sell PU leather bags. PU leather has grades. There are grades of PU leather, but this is not even a PU leather bag. It is a genuine leather. Can you see it there? It is written there. It is a genuine leather bag. So the price cannot be 20 yuan. Now let's be sincere. It cannot be 20 yuan. I know what some of you will do is that you go and picture search this product, right? Because you want to buy cheap. Once you picture search this product, obviously you get different vendors that are selling at different prices, and you can already see them on here. Let's just wait for this to load so that I will explain my point very well. Now you can actually come click on this. This seller is selling for how many yuan? You can see this particular bag now. This seller is selling for 37 yuan. And some of you will just rush for this and you think it is the same quality with the first one I showed you. Obviously, they are not the same quality. Let me go to the material that this particular one is made with. You can see this is a PU leather. Can you see the material on there? It is a what? A PU leather. Well, the first one I showed you guys was a what? A genuine leather, original leather. Leather that will not peel. This is a PU leather that can start peeling off anytime. But when you look at it on here, it looks so beautiful. It looks so, you know, they actually edit their pictures. You know the way you take picture and you edit your picture The same thing happens here. They edit their pictures for it to look good. I am not saying that this bag will not last. You will buy this bag, it will last, but the quality of the leather can never be the same with the one I showed you earlier that is being sold for around 75, 80 yuan. You can see the difference in price. One is selling for about 80 RMB and another is selling for 37 RMB. Please don't expect their quality to be the same. You can actually sell both quality. Like if you come to my store now, I have the same bag that are of different quality. I tell you, this particular one is going for 20,000 naira. You can buy it, while the genuine leather is going for 55,000 naira. Depending on what you want, and you'll be surprised. You will see customers going for the ones that are sold for 50 something thousand naira. Who tell you say they don't like better thing? Who tell you say they don't like nothing will last? Who tell you? So I think you should review what you're doing in your business. Some of you are complaining, oh yeah, I buy, customers don't buy. They buy once and they don't come back. You don't get returning customer because of the quality you're selling. Check the quality of what you're selling, not just bags, so guys, every other product you're selling. Check the quality. Try to improve on your quality. Do you get what I'm saying? That's what this video is all about. And if you want to learn importation, you know, Onye teaches you how to go about it. We have importation course for 15k, one-on-one training, 50,000 naira, depends on the one you're interested in. Our WhatsApp is always down in the description of this video. You can send us a WhatsApp message if you want to learn importation, or if you want us to give you contacts. Let's say you're already into importation, but you're looking for contact of specific, you know, supplier that sell different items that we can give you, legit suppliers. Of course, we charge you a token for that, and we share the suppliers with you. It is that easy. I mean, just ensure you're doing your business diligently this year. Those of you that are importing, do your due diligence on 1688 before buying from any supplier. I love you all.